guys, we have 6 minus 2 and 6 divided by 2 and multiply 2. Okay, 6 minus 2 equals 4, right? And 6 divided by 2 multiply 2. Now 4, right? 6 divided by 2 equals 3, multiply 2. So here is multiply. 4 times 3 equals 12, multiply 3. And 12 times 3 equals 36. This is not the correct answer, guys. Follow the order of operations: multiplication and division from left to right, but parentheses first, right? Inside the parentheses first, then exponents, and then multiplication and division third, right? And addition and subtraction from left to right. Now solve again. 6 minus 2 inside the parentheses, 6 divided by 2 equals 3 times 2, right? Now here is the multiply, so multiply first from left to right. 6 minus 2 times 3 equals 6 times 2. Now again multiply. 6 minus 6 times 2 equals 12, right? Now 6 minus 12 equals minus 6. This is the answer.